What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Ooh. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Ooh, today's a good day. It's Friday. I'm off. I am at my parents' house, and me and my mom are about to go do some things today. About to go see my uncle and go shopping. I'm gonna get my hair done today. Y'all see this? It looks a little bad, so it's time to get it done. And I get to mail off the winner's gifts today. Woo, 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 woo. So all my winners, you will be getting your gifts soon. So grateful and thankful for your support. And I think that's all right now, y'all. So stay tuned. Mailing off the prizes or the winners gifts. Yay.
Okay, so just gotta address this one.
All right, y'all, so I have just sent everyone's gifts that were the winners for my giveaway. I sent Dashi, I sent Sierra and Brittany, so you guys should be getting those soon. And my mom's in the cut. Say hey, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
Really?
You said say hey, Mom.
No, I'm saying tell you hey, like say hey.
What's up, YouTube?
So we are at Burt's. We just left from visiting, and we're getting a gift for, I like this skirt, bridal shower tomorrow. So don't know what we're getting for the gift, but we'll find out. Stay tuned.
A 9-piece for $19.99. I'm thinking about getting 2 of those because it comes with sides and biscuits, and that way you don't have to worry about doing nothing. One of them slices.
Okay, and it's gonna be
Dang.
it's gonna be 12 minutes on all chicken
Okay, that's
because it's gotta be, you gotta cook it.
okay. That's fine. I can wait 12 minutes.
You said 2 large beans, rice on the spice one. Is that correct?
That's fine.
Okay, and you said you wanted 2 of those, right?
Because it comes with 2 sides, right?
Right.
Okay.
And then you said you wanted 1 mild and 1 spicy, right?
Right.
Okay.
And then on the other, let me get.
All right. Thank you.
We at the Popeyes when that sandwich coming back, cause I need to do a mukbang to it.
I moved out the way.
All right, y'all. So
I said, oh my goodness. I said, I don't want to
After
get caught in the line of fire because it's about to go
going to
down.
edit some videos, obviously.
No, it ain't worth that.
And that's it, y'all. All right, y'all. I know I look a mess. I just took my braids out. I am about to wash my hair. Get my hair done again. As you guys know, I've cut my hair off. It was long, and I cut it. I've dyed it. And it's just too hot for me to do stuff with it. So, look at it. I just look a mess. So, I'm about to wash it, get it clean, go get it done, and y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So, I done been all around the world today. I am now about to get my hair done again, as y'all can see.